30 seconds. Now this is starting match.
Tu entendeu a prova toda? Entendeu toda, né? Vai e volta 3 vezes.
Stand by.
É tua, meu, é tua.
2, 1, go!
Joe, here they are, the future of the men's elite field, I'll tell you that.
I mean, it is incredible. We've seen these boys out here. Multiply 13 by 3, and here I am. I feel very old right now, better.
Corda! Boa!
We also have Caleb Buckmaster, Yonder Cacao, Kyle McElroy, Logan June, Isaac Rojas, Kai Kinlack, Tinder Augustin, Lorenzo Piccizetto, Mark Lawson, and Lukas Trovão.
Alright, so over here on the 13 to 15 lane number 9, Moto Caddy, hanging out of Egypt is your current leader, as they are already going on to the toast of bar, but now, lane number 5, better, Akil Lopez out of Costa Rica.
Joe, we've seen a lot of these teenagers before, whether that be at the games, whether that be at 15 burnout, which is the games now for these guys. They are seasoned competitors, looking quick on his hands already, round 125. Akil Lopez.
México,
Mais boa!
México in the lead.
He's in the lead for his division, but in lane 16, Kai from Round Valley CrossFit. He'll be leading the 16-18 division with Lukas on far
Boa!
behind.
Tá liderando, isso aí!
Alright, so the current leader over here, lane number 5, Akil Lopez coming into this event in 2nd place. This is a debut for them as they are all out here on the competition floor. Let's see what is going to be happening as it is upside down over here now.
These guys are quick to go up and down through these rounds. They've got 3 rope climbs here, already on to the 2nd round. Making quick work out of it as well. 1 rope climb left in round 2 for your leader for the 16-18 division, Kai Kinlack.
Alright, now I got Gary and Assisi over here from CrossFit Finland. Already starting to rack it up.
Pô, o Trovão tá mandando bem, é isso aí, tá?
Akil Lopez already on that 2nd set. As he's closing out the handstand walk. As we continue on, El Circo, ladies and gentlemen.
These teams are all over the floor once again. Seasoned competitors, despite how young they are.
Tá em segundo, meu, tá em segundo.
Lukas
Só tem um na frente, vamos. Ok.
Lukas over here, lane number 8 also. And standing in around. And here we can see it. Darren Sanchez, crossing mid-load. Is going to be going for that 2nd set. Lane number 6, Fernando Cruz.
Your leaders in the 16-18 division on this side of the competition floor. Looking to begin your round number 3. Lukas Trovão already on the 3rd and final set of 3 with 1 to go. Lane 20, Lukas Trovão.
Here we have down and over here, then number 2. Making his way across yet again was hands down walls. Splitting it up.
What we're looking at here is we're almost halfway there. The future of the open division and the open division this coming year.
Oh, the young
Boa, boa, boa! Boa!
Smell the hunger. Veterans, watch out. The new kids are on the block.
Picking up on his hands. Round 3 here. 5:40 on the clock.
Ô, Trovão, acredita que é tua, dá pra pegar ainda, vai, vai. Só tem um na frente, vamos, 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 vamos.
Now we're finally at the halfway point, halfway down, but less than halfway to go. Guy Pellet getting off. We're gonna be in that next set.
Vai, Trovão, pega isso aí. Vamos.
Vamos!
Vamos, vai, vamos, vamos.
Picking up these cowbells for the buyout of Ed.
Isso. Essa é tua, essa vai ser tua. É isso aí, Trovão. Vamos, concentra. Concentra, vai. Vai, mais um passo, mais um passo. Aê, vira, respira. Só tem um vindo lá, ó. Não deixa ele passar. Não deixa. Tá? Vai, vamos. Vai, Trovão, não demora que ele vai te passar. Ele tá voltando. É tua. É tua vida. Vamos. Pega, pega, pega! Vai, 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 antes dele, vai, meu! Vai, Trovão! Vamos! Vamos, vamos! Boa! 7:46, vamos lá!
Sub 8, your winner for the 16-18 division, Lukas Trovão. Now the next up will be Guy Pellet.
Boa, galera! Trovão! Isso aí! Boa!
I don't know about you better, but I thought you starting to come. You can feel those hits there in the right and center.
Boa, galera! Trovão terminou essa aí, ó. Segundo lugar. Boa! Era o que ele precisava buscar. Boa, boa, boa! Show!
As the 13-15, cranking it through.
Costa Rica.